What's going on, everybody? Mel here, Darkside of the Grill. Got something special for you today. The zabuton, or Denver steak, done Wagyu. It's a Wagyu steak. Make sure you hit subscribe, click everything, do everything, comment. I appreciate all of the love and support. This channel can't grow without you. Thank you for tuning in. Here we go. Japanese Wagyu beef. Let's bring you in here. Look at that. Look at that marbling. How fantastic is that? This beautiful, beautiful piece of meat about to get cut up with my Dal Strong, the Omega Series chef knife. This thing is just a beast, an absolute beast. I'm gonna bring you in, do a close shot of this so that you get all of this happening. But yeah, this is my playhouse. This is where I do my work here. So let's bring you in, set you up. Take a peek, there we go, and let's zoomy zoom. Boom. There we go. Isn't it gorgeous? I want you guys to see. Absolutely beautiful, eh? Let's just pull this around. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Last time, there it is. Oh, all right. So this one, got a lot of fat on the end here. Just gonna pull you. Waste not, want not, I always say. There it is. We'll pull you right to their nice fat one. Take a look at that. Nice fat one. So I'm cutting these 1/4 inch to 3/8 is the plan. And these are gonna be grilled real quick on the cast iron on the big green egg. So stick with me here. Look at how beautifully she cuts. That's what we're doing here today. Oh, just fantastic. You definitely want to hold the meat. You can feel it. You can actually feel how nice and tender it is already. Just super pliable. So you know she's gonna cook down like nothing. Oh, I got the big green egg already fired up. That's gonna be so deadly on the cast iron. We got the Plancha. I cannot wait for you to see that. Also, we're gonna hit this, once it's done and plated, we're gonna hit this on that beautiful rock salt. We got some huge, huge flaky sea salt, actually, is what we're doing there. Yeah. So, something good like this, you don't want to hit it with too many seasonings. A nice flaky salt at the end is really all you need. Like I said, pinch both sides. Keep your fingers, thumbs out of the way. Slice right through. That beautiful little fat cap in the back is going to be, oh, heavenly. There we go. There we go. Elvis, you be quiet, buddy. Sorry, my puppy can smell it from up here. He's already like, hey, Pop, what's going on there? Oh, look at that. There we are. There we are. All right, I'm gonna take you real quick, show you exactly what's going on and how we're gonna grill these up. Take a look at that. One more time, take a look. Hey, get out of here. Look at that. Just perfect. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. This is beautiful steak ready to go. That beautiful zabuton. Now I got the big green egg fired up. We're rolling about 325 right now. This is exactly where I want it. Let me bring you in and show you exactly what we're doing. That cast iron Plancha, just raging hot, ready to go. Open fire on this end in case we want to roll them over, do some dirty fire business. I like to meddle when I cook, so this is what we're up to. Right on, now check it out. Here we go. Ladies and gents, we're pretty pumped about this one. Gonna give you, there she is, this beauty right here on that cast iron. Let's bring you in. Let's bring you in. There she is. There we go. Another beautiful, beautiful cut right there. Boom. One more for good measure. Right there. Look at that. There we go. You can see them there already. Zoom in there. They're already starting. They're already doing their thing. Now this, like I said, I cut them about 3/8 of an inch thick. 1/4 inch to 3/8 of an inch thick. We're definitely going to get them into a 3 flip, I think. A 3 flip is where we're going to go. You'll watch them kind of pucker up a bit as the fat starts to leave. Going to roll them over, get started on the second one, and then the third one is when we'll finish it, plate it, let it rest for just a minute, sprinkle some of that beautiful sea salt on there, the big flaked sea salt, and then, yeah, we're ready to eat. That's the plan. So, here you go. And you got that live fire happening there. Sometimes I'll throw them right on there. I will, and just buck them right off the fire. It's also fantastic. See, this one's already starting. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful sear that she's doing there. Now you don't want to squish it. It's not a smash burger. Just trying to get that form back in there, get her to cook evenly. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, just beautiful. This guy. There we go. I am so pumped for these. Let me tell you. As soon as you kick the lid open, the big green egg, the temperature is going to skyrocket on this cast iron. But that's okay. That's what we want. We want her good and hot. Good and hot. Look at that. This one, she's a bit thicker, just for fun. I'm going to take her upstairs. Oh yeah. Show you that multi-level cooking business here. The big green egg, that egg expander. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. There we go. Flip number 3. Boom. Just beautiful. You can hear that sizzle. We don't want to cook it too much. Medium rare for a Wagyu is plenty. Alright, these guys, just for flavor, we'll throw them up in the smoke, but we're ready to go. We are ready to go. Now for fun, I don't have a plate, just going to use a piece of tin foil. Just a piece of tin foil, bang. Let them sit. There we go. Like I said, we're going to let them rest. Shut this guy down. Take a look at that. There you go. We're going to let them rest, but first, real quickly, beautiful. Big, thick, chunky flakes. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, that's not going to hurt at all, is it? Nope. Oh, yeah. I will see you for the slice in 1 minute. Alright, here they are. They've rested for about 3 minutes. Fresh off the big green egg. Grabbed a little cutting board just so that you can see right off of that tin foil I set them on. Take a look at this. That beautiful salt just disintegrating into it. Oh, I'm so pumped for this. I'm almost drooling. Look at that. Quick slice. Still beautifully red. It tastes like it's cooked in butter, but it's not. I don't know if you can see that. Just beautifully. Medium rare. Cooked to perfection. You don't want to overcook this because then the fats, the flavors are going to leak out everywhere. Oh. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Get your hands on this Wagyu zabuton or Denver steak. And this is how you do it. Slice it up real nice like that. Over the cast iron, throw it over the fire, let it rest. That's it. You're in steak country, baby. This is oh. I wouldn't lie to you. Thanks for following along. Click subscribe. Tons more of this coming up.